Hello, I want everybody to know that I miss y'all all so much. I wish you were actually here in the classroom with me right now. Unfortunately, we're not able to do that, and I know it's been a while since I read a book, but I'm going to read another book. Candace said he wanted something with animals in it, and I was going to read Dog on a Log, but I kind of forgot that at home. So we're going to read Bear Snores On. It's another one about animals. So, Camden, I hope you're happy with this book. And let's go over the parts of our book. This is the front cover. See, y'all remember this stuff. This is the spine. And this is the back cover. Very good. Now, who are these people right here? Yep, those are the authors, and the authors do what? They write the book. They put the words in these books, and we get to learn things. And what is this between words? That's right, spaces, because if we didn't have spaces, then all the words would be combobulated, and we wouldn't know what word was what. So they put those spaces there so we know there's a different word every time we read. And what is this? That's right. That is the title of the book. And this title is Bear Snores On. Bear Snores On. Karma Wilson. In a cave, in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. See him asleep in his little lair? That's his home. A lair is his home. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. Two cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tip-toe, crawls in the cave from the fluff of cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Look at that bear. He don't even know anything's going on right now. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. He's not hearing any of this. Ooh, I wish I could sleep like that bear does. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with the chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody flutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. Oh, they just having a big old party up in the bear's house, in his lair. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew. Then small pepper flat makes the bear Rachoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Oh, what's going to happen? Oh no. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me? I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans. He wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss, look, see. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Oh my goodness. They woke up Bear, and then they all partied with Bear, and now Bear can't sleep, and all of his friends went to sleep. I really miss reading to you guys, and I really wish this could be more in person, but I do hope you enjoy the books that I do read to you, and I will try to get more books up as soon as I can. I miss y'all, I love y'all, and I cannot wait to see y'all again.